Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Smashbox Cosmetics. I have not done a tutorial or anything on this brand before, especially the foundation, so I was super excited to try that out. If you want to see how I got this look and this full face of Smashbox Cosmetics, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do want to add you to our family. And you guys, I'm thinking about doing an upload schedule of Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So if you are okay with that schedule, then signify that by giving this video a thumbs up. But I think that's all the announcements I have to share. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So usually you guys know I will come over here and I will do my brows, but today I'm going to be going in with the Smashbox Ablaze eye palette. And the front of the package looks like this. You guys heard me talk about this one a lot here on my channel. But as you can see, I put a dent into this brown shade, which is called Dark Horse. I'm gonna go in my brows with this. I'm gonna try to keep this at a full face of Smashbox. Highlighter, blush, setting powder, and concealer are the only 4 items I do not have of Smashbox, but everything else will be Smashbox in this video, which is why I'm going in with this brown shade for my brows. I'm going to be taking the Sephora Pro Brow Precision Brush number 20, and it looks like this. Has a spoolie on one end, and don't mind my really disgusting brush part. Just going to brush my hairs upward, and I have an old brow tutorial here on my channel, but if you guys want me to do an updated brow tutorial, then let me know. Going in with the LA Girl Concealer, Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and it looks like this. And you can purchase these at Ulta and also your beauty supply store if you are interested. I have 2 primers here. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer all in one. You guys know that this is one of my favorite primers, and I'm basically almost done this bottle, but it has hyaluronic acid in it. So anything that has hyaluronic acid in it, it is H2O for your skin. It's going to hydrate your skin and keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. So that is why I love this primerizer. But here I'm going to be trying something I never tried by Smashbox as well. This is the Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. So you can use this, I just keep dropping everything. You can use this spray for a primer before you put on your makeup, and you can also use it to set your makeup. So I am going to go ahead, because I'm starting off with a clean face, I'm going to go in with the Photo Finish Primerizer so that I can get that moisturizer into my skin, because I just cleaned my face. It's a liquidy primer, but that's why I like it, because it's like a moisturizer, and you're also getting that priming aspect or component as well. So for the foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. It is an oil-free foundation, and as I just mentioned, a hydrating one. So if you have dry skin, you should try this foundation. You will be better off trying this foundation if you're looking for hydration in a foundation. So this can be used for any skin combination, skin, oily skin, dry skin, you name it. It's all free, so it's good for oily skin as well. So anywho, I'm going in with the shade 3.05. This is a medium skin tone and a warm golden undertone. Now this is sent to me, so I'm not sure if this is the right shade, but we will see. I like that it is a glass bottle, so you get that luxurious feel, and it also has a pump, so that is what that looks like there. Looks a little yellow. It's a bit runny, but I'm gonna go ahead and dab this all over. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna try this also with a brush. You guys know I usually go in with a sponge, but I'm just so intrigued to try this new brush that I got. It is the Sephora, if I can get it out of the packaging. This is the Sephora Pro Core Diffuser number 94 brush, and it looks like this. The hairs on here just look so amazing. And of course, when you use it, it's gonna like flare out. So I'm gonna try to use this brush today. Just gonna stipple that into the skin. I like this brush. You guys know I don't know if you know, but if you're new to my channel, I've been on a hunt for a good foundation brush, and I asked some people to comment down below, but I figured I wanted to try this, something that's like, you know, flares out almost like a kabuki brush, but this is nice. It doesn't leave any streaks, and I just went in with patting motions just to distribute the product all over my skin, and I don't see like streaks or anything, so I'm really excited about this brush. So that was just one layer. I think I want to go in with another, so I'm going to go in with 2 more pumps. Just want to see how this foundation is going to work. So because I do not have a Smashbox concealer, I'm going to go in with a concealer I've never tried once again. So these next few videos, let me just explain myself. I'm going to be trying products that I've never tried before, that has been out for some time, but I'm going to be trying them. So the one that I'm talking about in this particular video, it is the Nar Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm excited to see what's the big hype about this. I have it in the shade Light 2.6 Cafe Con Leche, and I feel like she is really light. I think I got the wrong shade, but we're gonna move on. Oh yeah, she's light. Oh Lord. Oh well, we're gonna have to make it work. But it definitely is creamy off the first initial thought. She is light, honey. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? I felt like the medium ones were not giving me the undertone I wanted. Going in with my sponge, I'm gonna blend that in, starting with the nose. Alright, now going in with my setting powder because I don't have a Smashbox one. Again, this is the Beauty Bakerie Flower Better No Bitter Yellow Translucent Powder. I'm going to go in with that under the eye. Not too bad, we can work with this. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my MAC, not set my face, but go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest to bronze my skin up. I have 2 Smashbox palettes. That's the Ablaze one, and then I have this new one that is the Cover Shot Golden Hour Eye Palette, and it looks like this. And the colors look like this. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here and place that all over my lid. I'm gonna take this orange shade and put that in my crease using the Morphe M441 brush. They just came out with some new ones, like some all glitter one. So if you're into the shimmers and glitters, you may want to check out the Smashbox palette. Take this dark brown that I use for the brows and just place that on the side over here. And I'm gonna take this, the Vintage Cosmetic Company brush. It is this brush right here. Just gonna take that, because we're gonna do like a line, like a wing liner, just with the black, or just with the brown shadow. Go back in with that M441 brush and blend that upward a little bit. I'm going with this gold color here. They're definitely subtle. It's not gonna be like a pop, but I'm gonna see. Let me wet my brush with the Smashbox water and see if something happens with this. Alright, so I'm gonna just finish this eye. I didn't know what type of look I was going for, but this is what it is. So I'm gonna go into this eye with the gold as well. And I feel like the gold in the Ablaze Ablaze palette is actually a little bit more pigmented. So I'm gonna just use that one. Go in now with the Smashbox Superfan Fan Out Mascara. This is in the shade black and it comes in a tube like this. This is my first time using this. So let's see what this is giving. Okay. The wand looks like this. It's supposed to give a false lash look. So let's see if it's gonna do that. This is not bad. I think this will be perfect as well for the bottom lashes as well. But I'm still gonna put on falsies. I'm gonna go in with the House of Lashes Wispy Mini lashes. I'm gonna go in with these. I want to add some false lashes. So I'm going to put these false lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and did my bottom lash line, my blush, and also I added this orange shade into the inner corner, which is in the Ablaze palette. And now I'm going to just highlight so that we can move on to the Lippies. I have 3 Lippies that I'm excited to try. I don't know which one. I'm probably going to choose the orange one, but we'll see. But first I'm going to go in with my dual finish highlighter in Radiant Rose by Lancome, and I haven't used this in a while, so that's why I'm using it. I don't have a highlighter from Smashbox. Do they have highlighters? Ooh, I forgot how pigmented this thing is. Ooh, I'm over here just dusting away. Oh, before I forget, so you guys, I have been trying the Mercier Glow Powder Translucent Powder, and I've been using it as like under the eye and like bringing it into my highlighter. So that is what I'm gonna do. I have this travel or sample size from Sephora. That's what this is, and I've been loving how it just glows like nobody's business. Okay, just glow. I meant to do this before I did the rest of my face, but I've been liking how it gives me like this glow under, and just look at that. You guys see that? I love this stuff. Yes, yes, yes. So I have 3 choices here. Don't mind my swatches, but that is all 3. Again, the red is in Maneater, the nude is in Stay Neutral, and the orange is in Out Loud. And I can't find my brownie one that I like so much, but anywho, that is the 3 that I have on hand. So with this look, I think I'm gonna go in with the orange. I haven't done the orange in a long time, so I wanna do the orange. Here I'm gonna add in the neutral shade, the Stay Neutral. So you end up coming out like an ombre lip. Now I'm gonna spray my face with the primer water or Set and Refresh spray by Smashbox. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this full face Smashbox makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like these type of videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like me to do another full face of one brand, or just trying new products you like when I try new products here on my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and also turn that post notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.